Hey yo, it's your boy Flo. Alright, so today's video we looking at TikTok memes that stopped it from getting banned. Alright, so today we looking at TikTok memes that stopped it from getting banned. Let's check it out. Alright, let's get it. Facts. That's facts.
Best friend, do you have a bathroom? No. I shit in the backyard and wipe my ass with leaves. Wait, really? No! Are you dumb? Of course I have a bathroom.
Like, what type of question? I hate when people ask that.
Now a cowboy needs a hat, needs a hat, needs a hat, and a pair of fancy boots, fancy boots, fancy boots, and a...
Okay.
Are you just gonna sit around all day?
Oh, yeah.
Are you just gonna sit around all day?
Oh. Do you want me to do something?
No, I'm just wondering.
Yeah. What are you gonna do? Oh, let's sit around together.
Right? Yo, dressed up, he ain't even going nowhere. Quarantine shit. That's nasty as fuck, bro.
Can I help you? No. Then what the fuck are you looking at? Olivia, please watch your mouth. No, not until she stops staring. I'm not even staring at you. And how would you even know I was staring at you if you weren't staring at me? I wasn't. Who the hell wants to stare at you? You look like Dora, bitch. Okay, that's it. Olivia, go to the office. See? This is your fault.
Sounds so annoying, bro.
I'm going on a girls trip, okay?
Oh, you're going on a girls trip?
No, not we, babe. I'm going on a girls trip.
What? I'm one of the girls.
No, you're not this time. It's just us girls.
Pause, bro.
What are you gonna
Pause.
do until I get back?
You sure it's a girl?
Bro.
KK, can you go get me the blanket downstairs, please?
Mom, I'm trying to play the game.
KK, I said go get me the blanket.
Mom, shut up. I'm trying to play the game.
What the fuck you said?
Oh, bro. Huh? No,
He was about to get his ass
So I get a lot of questions asking what my real voice is, and just because I'm transgender doesn't mean that I'm faking my voice. This is my real voice.
Fuck, that was hard. Shit.
Wait.
It's the back knee for me.
It's the All-American Eagle wardrobe for me.
It's the almost killing me in a car crash 3 times for me.
It's
the crying cool bitch for me. It's the constantly getting stomach aches for me. It's the only eating plants for me.
Oh my god,
It's
this
the
is
Disney
giving me a
obsession at
headache.
18 years old for me. It's
This
the
is-
ensemble sophomore year for me. Oh, and it's the dropping out of a D1 school to go to community college for me.
Oh my god, this is a headache.
That's what I'm saying. Whatever happened to hello? Listen, let me take you to dinner.
Before
Can
y'all.
I take you
Something
out
in my
for
eye.
a date? Now it's like, come chill. Like, who raised these boys? I know, right?
Hello, my friend. Today we see the person digging into the mud. Oh, the mud look very creamy. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's a little fish. Oh, he saved a little fish from the mud and he give it to put in the water. Oh no, what the fuck?
course, bruh. Yeah, that shit was in the mud.
We're
Like,
going out
what
to
the-
dinner.
Word. Say less.
Get ready, we're going out to eat.
Let's go!
Get ready, we're going out to fucking dinner.
What the fuck? Yeah. He was trying so hard to be quiet, man.
You naughty, naughty. You teasing me, you naughty, naughty.
I don't wanna. I wanna. I want you to touch that. That swing in the back of my.
Oh my god.
Meat pie, su su su, su su su. Meat pan, yakakus, yum yum yum.
Yum yum yum.
Hey, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing?
Oh, there's a fucking dog. Can I have it? Come on. Yeah. Yeah. I'm keeping it.
You don't know whose dog is?
What?
Hey, babe. I need some space.
What do you mean? I didn't touch you. Now look all this space here, it's empty. Now how much more space do you need? Now come give me kisses.
Pause, bro.
Huh? What are you doing? Oh, I'm just sneaking in my girlfriend's house. For what? Dude. Come on now. Oh! Yeah! Yeah, I live here. Oh. Nice. Yeah, you must be Chelsea's boyfriend. Yeah? Yeah, I'm her dad. Nice. Uh-huh. Stay right there. Why? I'm a preacher. Oh, wait!
Okay, my family's sleeping, but I saw someone do this and it's supposed to predict your love life for the rest of the year. So, here we go. Okay, the rest of August. Oh, shit. It's not looking good for you, Benjamin.
They're gonna give me all heartbreaks for the middle of 2019, end of 2019.
Hey?
Straight heartbreaks, bro.
I do that anyway. What was it, October? Heart been broke so many times. November? Jesus.
Heart been broke so many times.
Jesus. What?
Yeah.
Okay, 2021, January is my year. I mean, month. New love manifest. How can I have my heart broken when nobody even loved me in the first place?
Grammarly does more than catch errors. With Grammarly,
All right, what do we want for dinner?
Can we get Domino's?
Yeah, we can do that. You're up.
Up for what?
Order the pizza.
Hey.
I've never ordered the pizza before.
Yeah, I know, but you're 13. You can order the pizza, okay? I got stuff to do.
Oh, what do I say?
Just say what you want. Just get a couple large pizzas, whatever.
Large cheese, 1 pepperoni, please. 1 cheese, 1...
What if they ask if it's pickup or delivery? What's our address?
What name do I say to pick
Teenagers
up?
that has to be overthinking, bruh. Overthinking it.
Hey, this is Domino's. All right, are the pizzas on their way?
I couldn't do it.
You are useless. Give me this.
Don't you ever make me do that again.
Alright, looks like that's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure you leave a like, comment if you want me to react to more of these. Make sure you subscribe, turn notifications on. I'll be dropping these all week, every week. Let's go.